Napazoni kushona. Napazoni. School. I would like to begin this morning assembly with respected headmaster, teacher, and all my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. I, Shahar Banu from Fatullah House, here to conduct today's morning assembly. Today our the topic is science. First, I would like to call Mr. Hassan Rolla from Fatullah House. Please come next and deliver the topic.
I, Hassan Rolla from Fatullah House. Today my topic is the sun is up. The sun shines on the sea. The sun shines on the trees. The sun shines on the farm. The sun shines on the pond. The sun shines on the toad. The sun shines on the house. The sun shines on the me. Thank you.
From Fatullah House, please come next and respected headmaster, teachers, and all dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. Good morning. I'm Nasrin Fatima from Namkila House. Today my topic is the last lemon. I can get the last lemon, said the elephant. I can help you, said the goat. I can get on your back. I can get the last lemon, said the goat. I can help you, said the monkey. I can get on your back. I can get the last lemon, said the monkey. I can help you, said the square. I can get on your back. Ouch! I can get the last lemon, said the square. Thank you. Class Nasri Yasin. Class Nasri. Roll number 1 Yasin Ali. Roll number 2 Hana Zara. Roll number 3 Gulnaz Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 4 Hassan Mustafa.
Yes, ma'am.
Class KG. Roll number 1 Rehna Banu.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 2 Alina Zahra.
Yes,
Roll number 3 Sikandar Ali.
yes, ma'am.
Roll number 4 Nusra Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Class 1 roll number 1 Zaida Banu.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 2 Soel Abbas.
Sir.
Roll number 3 Wilayat Ali.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 4 Muhammad Sajid.
Yes, ma'am.
Class 8 roll number 1.
Present, ma'am.
Class 6 roll number 1.
Present, ma'am.
Class 4 roll number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 5.
Ma'am.
Roll number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Class 3 roll number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Wednesday.
Where are my shoes?
Next we go to the art room. Today we are going to the drawing a basket of fruit.